Chapter 12. The two approaches to investing. Value investing is more of an art and less of a science. Though there are no rigid rules for investing, yet there is a basic framework which needs to be followed. For example, let's consider a sports like cricket. There are a few basic rules in it, but players are free to play the way they want. In cricket, both Dravid and Sehwag are highly successful batsmen, despite their contrasting playing styles. Similarly, in investing, if you know the basic rules, you are free to experiment and develop your own style. The two approaches to investing. The question that knocks most on the minds of investor is which stock to invest in. Out of the 5,000 plus listed companies, how would you choose the best stock? Of course, you cannot analyze all the listed companies. That's impossible. So how would you list down the companies you want to analyze? Here are two ways to do it. First is the top-down approach. In the top-down approach, you first select a particular sector to invest and then the best company in that sector. To select the sector, the following parameters are used. Number 1. The sector is out of favor. Check if the chosen sector has faced problem in the past. You must carefully invest in the company if you see good growth of the sector in the future, despite all odds. For example, pharma sector is currently fighting the odds in the US due to US FDA issue. So this sector has a negative sentiment amongst investors, but there is a good hope of finding cheap stocks. Number 2. Check the future growth in the sector. For example, driverless cars and e-commerce will surely grow in the future. Number 3. Change in government regulation. Government can come up with a new regulatory laws to favor a particular sector. For example, the government imposed anti-dumping duty on tires, which helped in protecting the Indian tire companies from cheap Chinese products. Number 4. Technology improvements. Sometimes a new technological intervention can benefit the entire sector. For example, increased use of solar panels made solar power companies more powerful. Second is the bottom-up approach. This is the exact opposite of the top-down approach. Here, you don't look for a particular sector. Rather, you are open to buying stocks from any industry. In the bottom-up approach, you choose those stocks which meet your valuation criteria. In this approach, you can select a stock through number 1. Known companies. Look for companies whose products you like, such as Colgate, Bata, Gillette, etc. Choosing companies based on products makes sense because as a consumer, you know if the product sold by these companies are liked by the people or not. Number 2. Companies related to your job. If you are a doctor, pharma companies are a good bet. If you are a software engineer, IT companies are a good bet. Opting for these companies makes sense as you would possess a lot of knowledge about companies related to your profession. Number 3. News. Newspapers, magazines, and even advertisements function as a tool to bring new companies to your notice. If you find that a new car has suddenly got a lot of media attention, or you see too many of them on the road suddenly, it's usually a nice idea to start researching about the company. Which of the two approaches is correct? The best part about investing is that you have the freedom to decide how to invest as per your preferences. Please remember, it doesn't matter which approach you choose. The process of analyzing the stock remains unchanged. These approaches will just help you Shortlist the stocks to help the research process become easier.